Chichita, what is the national bird of India? National bird of India? Hmm. Okay. National flower of India? National flower? Lotus. National tree of India? National tree of India? National tree? National tree? Banyan tree, okay. National animal of India? National animal? Tiger. National fruit of India? National fruit? Mango. What are the primary colors? Primary colors? Yellow, red, blue. Okay, good. How many continents are in the world? How many continents are in the world? 7. Okay. Biggest continent in the world? Asia. Okay, good.